Hello everyone, welcome to another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add sub menus and navigation menus to your online store. So let's go ahead and get started. What you want to do first is you want to go on down to online store. If you don't see online store, just hit the search bar up there and online store should pop up. So from there, you head to navigation, and right where you see your main menu, you can just go ahead and select that. And I'm going to add a menu item, and I'm gonna put in accessories. Yeah, I'm gonna use accessories, and then you can either link this to a product or a collection, maybe like the accessories collection or the actual product that will show on that page. And then I'm just gonna add. Now from there, I'm gonna go ahead and drag accessories under shop and kind of move it to the right a little, just so it can be like a sub menu. It's really that easy to do, guys. Now I'm just gonna save this menu, and then we're gonna go to the online store and see how it looks and see if it's really how we want it. And there you have it, guys. That is how you add a item to your menu or sub item. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this. I will see you guys next time.